Good morning. Today let us see a problem using Coulomb's law and Newton's universal law. The problem is to determine the electrostatic force and gravitational force between the proton and electron of a hydrogen atom. The data given is the distance between proton and electron, that is 5.3 into 10 power minus 11 meter. The charge of electron or proton is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. Mass of electron is given, Me is equal to 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 kilogram. Mass of proton, Mp, is 1.6 into 10 power minus 27 kilogram. Let us see how to solve this problem. The force of attraction between proton and electron, because both are opposite charges. Electron has negative charge and proton has positive charge. Therefore, opposite charge will have force of attraction. Therefore, the force of attraction F is equal to Ke square by R square. Here K is the proportionality constant, that is K is equal to 1 by 4 by epsilon naught. The value of K is 9 into 10 power 9 Newton Coulomb power minus 2 meter power minus 2. Substituting the values which are given above, we will get Fe is equal to 9 into 10 power 9 into 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 whole square divided by 5.3 into 10 power minus 11 whole square. By calculating, we will get the electrostatic force F is equal to 8.2 into 10 power minus 8 Newton. Then we will calculate the gravitational force between proton and electron. The gravitational force between proton and electron, according to Newton's gravitational law, the force of attraction between two masses is directly proportional to product of masses and inversely proportional to square of the distance between the two masses. Therefore, gravitational force Fg is equal to Gme into Mp by R square. Here capital G is the gravitational constant, Me is the mass of electron and Mp is the mass of proton, and R is the distance between proton and electron. Already the values are given. Substituting the values in the above equation, we will get Fg is equal to 6.67 into 10 power minus 11 into 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 into 1.6 into 10 power minus 27. 9.1 to 10 power minus 31 is the mass of electron, and 1.6 into 10 power minus 27 is the mass of proton. 6.67 10 power minus 11 is the gravitational constant. Then 5.3 into 10 power minus 11 is the distance between proton and electron. By calculating, we will get gravitational force Fg is equal to 3.4 into 10 power minus 47 Newton. The ratio between gravitational force and electrostatic force Fe by Fg is equal to 8.2 into 10 power minus 8 divided by 3.4 into 10 power minus 47. Therefore, we will get 2.41 into 10 power 39. Therefore, the electrostatic force is nearly equal to 10 power 39 of gravitational force. Thank you.